So I'm going to show you how to fold an origami heart out of just a regular 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. For this one, start at the top, sort of a modified mountain fold. So we're going to do that side first and open it up, and then do this side. I like to go on the opposite side to fold this part back just to make the next fold easier. And I'm just lining up those corners where the other folds were. So then it's pretty easy to fold this part down with those guiding lines. Like so. This part we fold up to match that. Right there. Then we fold these down. We fold these into the center. So then we're going to fold on the back side this part back. And we're going to fold these like this, but then we're going to tuck them inside of this guy right there. So we're going to tuck them inside. And these we're going to fold at an angle and tuck those underneath as well. And then you have a heart.